Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Microsoft Forms and how to get your data into a SharePoint list. By default, when you create a survey in Microsoft Forms or one of those quizzes, it gets stored in an Excel spreadsheet. But what if you don't want your data stored in an Excel spreadsheet? You want to centralize it into a place like SharePoint, a SharePoint list specifically. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is you want to create a list in your SharePoint site. So you have this healthcare list, and these columns, overall, capacities, walking distance, correspond to the questions in my survey. So these three questions match up with these three questions, and you can leave the title or any other columns as long as these exist. So once you have your lists prepared, all ready to go, what you want to do next is you want to go to Flow. When you're in your dashboard, you click on the templates area. And let me make sure I don't have that flow in here. These are where my flows exist. No, so you click on templates. And in the search, it'll show you all the templates that exist. And there are a ton of different templates that exist. And you can do different things. So if you come into this search box and type in SharePoint, scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see record form responses in SharePoint. And that's the template you want. As you can see, it's been used 1,800 times, plus times. Click on that. It goes ahead and it connects you to the different apps. Click continue. And once you click continue, you see that it already has this template created for you, and all you have to do is fill in the blanks. So the form ID is basically the form name. So I'm going to come in here and choose healthcare well-being. That's the name of my survey. That's filled out. Come here, fill out that. And as you can see, it's looping. It has all these things are within a loop. It gets the response and it dumps it into this site. I need to tell it where my list exists, what site. So right there, grab the list name, healthcare, and then you can do a lot of things. You can give it a title. You can add this dynamic thing. Let's say I wanted to, if I did a dynamic, let's say I wanted to add an ID. Let's say ID. So list of response notifications, response ID, and I can say dash survey response. So this is what's going to be in the title column. And then down here for overall capacities, walking distance, you want to make sure you come in here and you want to match the items from your form and tell it where you want it to be stored in your list. So for the overall column, I want to store this question in that column. For the capacities column, I want to store this and that. And for the walk-in distance, I want to store this one right here. And then that's it. You can also, any other actions you want, you can add it if you wanted to or create a new step. But let's just stick to the basics. And I'm just going to save it. So it's saving. Now it's saved. Now let's go to our list. Well, let's go to the form first. As you can see, let me refresh the page. Our list is blank. Let's go to the form and fill out a form. So let's say good. Let's choose the third one option. With some help, click submit. Thanks. Go to the form, and there it is. 7- survey response. These are the items from my Microsoft Forms. I hope that made sense to you. Leave any comments if you have any questions. I'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching this video.